Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I was just playing around today with this, and then it came to me a couple of weeks ago. Somebody asked me a question why I group things together to delete my drawing when I do this. So my nudge factor is set on 3.5. I'm going to hit the plus key, Control D, Control D, Control D, and then Control D and make another one. Now, when I normally work with something like this, if I'm going to use a smart fill tool, I would group these together. Matter of fact, I'm going to make it another copy of that and move them down. And this time I am going to group them together. Control G. But now I'm going to draw my drawing. And I'm going to select these red items because the person that was asking the question said, why don't you just select it and have no line? Well, is that true? Are there no lines there? Basically, yes, but if we go to view and wireframe, there's still lines there for every one of those circles. I don't know that it ever come into a problem, but that's why I do it. So this is grouped together. So I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, and this is why I do it. Because now I can take these lines and delete them and go up to view and wireframe, and you can see I have no lines. Now, even to make it probably safer when you're doing stuff like this would be to go to Enhanced, take away the color, add the line. And I've really never done this with the virtual statement delete key and the Alt key. I've always done it in little up and down, horizontal, vertical. But if you hold down the Alt key, the knife stays along that pattern and you got rid of it. And then you have just a red blob, even when you look at it with wireframe. Anyway, I hope that answered their question and gave you a little insight. And thank you for watching.